where we are seeking to restrain the release of a movie which seeks to depict the Chief Minister of West Bengal in very bad light, and it seeks also to foster communal tensions between two communities.
Board.
Yes.
That movie depicted a person whose family was still living. She was a Sri Lankan. She was an actress. She was a newsreader. And the way, most inhuman way, she was done to death. To read the book. Nobody is compelling you to see the movie. Don't read the book, shut the book. Don't like the book, shut the book. Don't purchase a ticket, don't go to the movie hall.
Yes, I appear in support of this petition.
Yes, sir.
This is a matter where we are seeking to restrain the release of a movie which seeks to depict the Chief Minister of West Bengal in very bad light, and it seeks also to foster communal tensions between two communities. Now, may I first show your lordship certain photographs?
No, I think Mr. Land Senior Counsel, you know, there are certain other decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court where cases were filed to ban a book, to ban a movie, to ban a drama, a skit. And if my memory is right, the courts have held that if it is up to you, you want to watch the movie, you watch the movie. You don't watch. You want to read the book, you can read. You don't want to read the book, you don't read. Nobody is compelling you to watch the movie or read the book. And I think I was...
I bow down. I bow down. With only this small caveat, if your lordship will permit me to indicate.
Sir, we are in a democratic setup.
Yes,
we are in a democratic setup.
I am
and any healthy criticism by way of a biopic,
I bow down.
I don't know.
I bow down. Any healthy criticism is always welcome.
But then if suppose X, Y and Z who are said to have been criticized in the movie, they are aggrieved, let them come. Who is this person? Suddenly a public interest litigation. Then we will be flooded, sir. We will be flooded. In fact, yesterday also they did the same thing. They filed a writ petition. We have dismissed it. And unfortunately, the very same advocate has verbatim copied the very same affidavit, except the 3 paragraphs.
I was in
and has been pressing
I'm privy to what
Chief Justice Secretariat to list the matter today itself. I was thinking for myself whether it's plagiarism, because it's the same advocate but 2 petitioners. And unfortunately or fortunately, both are members of the bar. Sir, where are we heading to? There are a lot of other serious issues to do. Mr. Joy Saha can see the movie. If he is very offended by the movie, then you become a co-petitioner, we will consider.
May I just indicate,
we are all a tolerant society, sir. We are a tolerant society. West Bengal has been a very tolerant society because other day Mr. Jayanto Mitro...
And that's how we want to keep it.
No, openly said in the open court that they have undergone, all citizens of West Bengal for years together have undergone pain. We have become sort of immune to that system. You please ask Mr. Mitro the other day. This is all, where are we heading to? If you want, we will admit your writ petition. Let it be pending. Let all of them, we will have a lengthy hearing. There is a reported decision. There is a reported decision. No. There is a reported decision of the Madras High Court. Authored by
I am fortified with the decision of your lordship sitting in the Madras High Court.
No, that was a case of where I upheld the decision of the Film Certification and Censor Board.
Yes.
That movie depicted a person whose family was still living. She was a Sri Lankan. She was an actress. She was a newsreader. And the way, most inhuman way, she was done to death. And the producer in the movie had depicted her real photographs. Her daughter, her mother, her sister, and her husband, everybody is residing in London. So the sister, mother lodged a complaint, representing the minor daughter also, and that complaint was taken by the Film Certification Board, and the censor certificate was cancelled. appeal filed against it were rejected. That was put to challenge. I distinctly remember, sir.
Lordship.
There should be some. There is a book. Perumal Murugan is one of the authors. He wrote a book, and that book was banned. That order of ban was put to challenge. You please read Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul's judgment. It's really a treatise to read that judgment.
Lordship.
And where he has dealt with all issues, right of privacy, right of propagation of opinion, public opinion, etc. And at last he says, why at all? Nobody is compelling you to read the book. Nobody is compelling you to see the movie. Don't read the book, shut the book. Don't like the book, shut the book. Don't purchase a ticket, don't go to the movie hall. Then everyone, we are sorry, sir.
But only give me a minute now. Give me a minute, half a minute only. Just permit me to invite your Lordship's attention to Section 5B of the Cinematographic Act. Kindly just have that.
You go before the certification board. You go before the certification.
The certification
board.
made them a party.
You seek for cancellation.
I have made them a party. Kindly see, first, let me overcome the first hurdle. Let me overcome the first hurdle, to satisfy what is the scope of interference by your Lordship.
Certification board wants to speak to the board. Let this.
That whatever they have annexed they have annexed a pen drive depicting a trailer, Lordship. We have not certified that. We have given
what pen drive?
A certificate, Lordship. It is
your certification is valid as on date,
Lordship. But what they are showing in the petition as a trailer, we have not certified that. That was not before.
We have downloaded that from YouTube.
YouTube is different. That has got nothing to do with
CBS. YouTube, anything. We can tomorrow.
They are releasing this trailer on YouTube.
Tomorrow, your picture can be morphed and you can be shown to be a hero in a movie. Mr. Joy Shaga's picture can be morphed. My picture can be morphed. Anything can be done, sir. AI has gone far beyond. And one day it will decide what you will eat, how you will dress, whether you will come to court physically or will attend virtual. AI will tell you in the morning, early morning.
May I just put it
we are prima facie not inclined to entertain the writ petition. However, the learned senior advocate proposes to make detailed submissions, list the matter after 3 weeks. Next, sir.